At Fidelity, you can buy both mutual funds and ETFs commission-free. So which one is right for your portfolio? The difference often comes down to trading flexibility. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Mutual funds, like FSKAX, trade once a day after the market closes at the net asset value, NAV. You can buy fractional shares and set up automatic, dollar-based investments easily. ETFs, like ITOT, trade like stocks throughout the day, so you can use limit orders and see real-time prices. At Fidelity, you can also buy fractional shares of ETFs. My crucial pro tip? For automated investing, choose mutual funds. If you want to set up a weekly or monthly automatic investment plan that runs like clockwork, Fidelity's mutual funds are built for that. ETFs require a manual or single-order trade each time, even with fractional shares. Choose the wrapper that best fits your investing style. Set and forget automation or intraday trading control. Do you prefer the simplicity of mutual funds or the tradability of ETFs? For more guides on investment fundamentals, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.